How to recover your password from Google Chrome. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Google Chrome application. Click on the three dots at the top right corner. Go to settings and go to Google Password Manager. Here you can see the list of applications in which you have used this Gmail account and all the passwords related to it. To access it, simply click on it, provide your password, and then you will be able to see the password from here. Now, to add a new password, simply go back, scroll below, and tap on Add Password. Provide the application and also the password to it. And then you will be able to create a new password in your Gmail account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.